Authenticity and elegance, quality and durability are more in demand than ever in interior spaces. Scheucher parquet is now entering a new era with a groundbreaking product innovation. Imagine a parquet surface that effortlessly resists abrasion, scratches, and chemicals while maintaining its natural beauty. In the state-of-the-art Scheucher production facilities, innovative technology is used to manufacture high-quality parquet floors. Scheucher parquet is now taking a big step forward and presenting a product that is even more durable and attractive. The new PUROtec excimer technology is a surface treatment that significantly improves the already high quality of previous parquet coatings. Each parquet board is carefully produced and receives numerous layers of high-quality varnish before undergoing the final step with the innovative and solvent-free UV varnish excimer technology. In this step, the parquet boards pass through an oxygen-free tunnel where an excimer lamp emits intense UV light at a wavelength of 172 nanometers. This results in the formation of a microfolded varnish film as a very thin skin on the surface. The subsequent curing process leads to a continuous, strongly microfolded and perfectly cured layer. This effect ensures that incoming light is scattered in all directions, which our eyes perceive as a particularly aesthetic, deep matte look. This matte finish not only exudes sophistication, but also prevents footprints and reduces slipping. The PUROtec excimer surface is extremely resistant to wear, scratches, and chemicals. This significantly extends the lifespan of the parquet floor, contributing to sustainability and saving natural resources. Cleaning is particularly easy, and no further maintenance is required. Scheucher PUROtec meets the highest requirements for use in residential areas, clinics, hotels, offices, and sports facilities. The PUROtec excimer finish creates a parquet surface that surpasses everything before and creates an elegant atmosphere with a natural character in any room. Discover Scheucher PUROtec now, the new innovative standard for parquet floors. Masterfully crafted, made for generations. Scheucher parquet.